Hello friends, thank you for clicking and watching this video. My friend, English is a widely spoken language, and if you are becoming fluent in English language, so you will be able to unlock countless opportunities. But problem is how to learn English. My friend, first of all, we should have a desire to learn English. But only having desire is not enough. We have to convert our desire into a burning desire. And for this, you will have to be motivated. And to stay motivated, you will have to know the benefits of English language. Without knowing benefits of English language, you will not be stay motivated. You will not be able to convert your desire into a burning desire. Okay, so let's talk about benefits of English language. So these are the bullet points we are going to talk about. Our fifth most important benefit of English language is confidence and respect. Yes, my friend, if you are getting fluency in English language, after becoming fluent in English, you will feel that you have built up a massive confidence inside you. You will feel confident and you will not hesitate while talking to anyone. And if you are talking to anyone fluently, if you are communicating well, then the person will think that you are a well educated person and he or she will give you more respect. Suppose you are going to any party, you are meeting someone new person, and if he started speaking English, and if he started asking something in English, and if you don't know how to speak English, so in that condition you will feel very embarrassing. But if you know how to speak English, if you are becoming fluent in English, then you will be able to reply them rationally, and they will give you more respect. Okay, so let's talk about fourth most important benefits of English language. That is worldwide acceptable language. Yes, my friend, English is worldwide acceptable language. It's being spoken almost in all countries. Take example of India. In India, there are 122 languages, major languages, and out of them, 22 languages have been legalized. So you have two options. Either you learn all languages so that you can communicate with each state or each country, or you can learn this common language, and that is English. Since English is worldwide acceptable language, so you will be able to communicate your thoughts, your idea, your talent to the world. You will be able to spread your thought in the whole world. And also you can get information and knowledges from other countries, from other states. Okay, so English is very, very important. Let's talk about our third most important benefits of English language. Opportunity to earn more money. Yes, my friend. Suppose you are working somewhere, you are not able to speak in English, and you are getting only 20 to 25,000 per month. So I guarantee you, after becoming fluent in English, you will be able to earn almost double payment, because on the basis of your work experience and English speaking, you will be able to get promotion in the same company. And in case if you are not getting promotion in same company, so you can switch your job. So you can find better company, better position, and better payout. And like this, you will be able to earn more than 40, 50,000 per month. So English is very, very important. Okay, so let's move on our second most important benefit of English language, and that is more opportunity for employment. My friend, there are many industries, there are many fields where English is must. English is essential. Suppose you want to work in a medical field, in airlines, in hotel, in travel agency, so English is must. Without English speaking, you will not be able to get job in these companies. So learning English is very, very beneficial. Okay, so let's talk about our first most important benefit of English language, and that is easy to crack job interview. Yes, my friend. In all companies, in a multinational company, in a national company, or in any good company, all interview is being held in English language only. And if you don't know how to speak in English, so you will not be able to crack any job interview. But if you are becoming fluent in English, so you will be able to answer the interviewer rationally. You will be able to answer them correctly. And like this, you will be able to find a job in your expected company. So for private job point of view, English is very, very important. Without learning English, you will not be able to find good job or good payout or good company. So get learn English as early as possible. Okay, so let's talk about golden opportunity of English language. My friend, suppose you are not interested to work anywhere in any company for any industry and you want to be self-employed. So what you can do? How English is going to help you? You can start your own spoken English classes. You can start your own coaching center, and like this you will be able to earn your livelihood. And in order to make more money, you can start your recording your sessions, you can start recording your video, you can upload this video on YouTube channel, and if you are getting number of subscribers, so you will start making more and more money from YouTube. So like this English is going to be benefited in many ways. So I request you to get learn English as soon as possible. Okay, so now I want to request you, if you think that this video is beneficial for you, so it can be beneficial for your friend as well. So share this video to others as well, like this video, and subscribe my channel. I'm going to upload lots of video related to English language. So keep watching. For the time being, thank you. Bye bye.